Hey, in this video, we'll be discussing the Devos LightRanger motion sensor detector that I've hooked to the Devos LightRanger 2000. Let's get into it. Hey everybody, I'm Robert with Sherburne Outdoors. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, I did a video, I guess a couple weeks ago, on the brand new Devos LightRanger 2000, which is pretty awesome with the mobile application, Bluetooth, all of the different light characteristics around amber and red built into it. And I got a slew of questions asking if this little modification or addition or accessory, whatever you want to call it, works with this. Now this was very interesting because nowhere on their website does it say it does or it does not. And so I just took it out and tested it, and sure enough, the thing works great. Let's kind of walk through it a little bit because it's a great addition. It's very simple and it's very practical, but I think it is a must-have. First of all, on their website, it's about $50.99. Full disclosure, I paid for all of these products. Devos is not sponsoring me, although Devos, I'm open for business if you guys want to send some product my way. I love it. I think it's the best stuff out there. So it's about $50.99 between that and $59.99. Right now it's on sale. Today's Father's Day, so maybe that's one of the reasons. So what can this thing do? It's got 360 degrees infrared sensing. It's got two dials on it on the bottom here. One that'll let you turn for sensitivity for how long you want the light to stay on after motion has been detected is between 1 and 5 minutes. And then how far out do you want the motion to go? The minimum is 15 feet, the maximum is 30 feet. Now, why do you need a motion detector? Now, if you've been watching the channel, I camp with these Devos. I'm in deep in the woods. I use these really for, you know, when I'm camping at night and it's getting dark. These really do light up the area really well. But there's really three main reasons to do this. One is this thing will go all the way up to 10 feet. So you can put it up there and you don't have to worry about lowering it to turn it on and off and stuff. They've got a mobile app that's nice for that, but this motion detector will help with that as well. Some people say it conserves the battery. I don't really care about that. This usually goes my complete trip without me having to recharge it or do anything with it. I think it's pretty cost effective, pretty energy efficient. The main reason I use it is for security, yeah, and it's not even for animals, it's for people. People out and about or animals. If this thing flips on, people will move or animals will move. And so that's the main reason I use this. Now, how this works, here's a good image of me doing this last night, is I had it set on 15 feet and I walked right to it and it popped on. And so that's how this should operate. It's very easy, it's very functional. And actually making this thing works pretty simple. So it comes with the sensor, it comes with this, and turn it on and off and get this thing to start is have the light on. Let's go ahead and turn the light back on. Let's have the light on and then plug in this and the light will flash, and now the sensing is actually hooked in at this point. And so now you can start moving around and it will turn the light on like it should. Let's talk about mounting because they've done a really good job on the mounting. If you see here, this actually plugs in right around this pole, and to get it to mount, you just have this thing out, push on, and it is a pressure mount setting, which is great. Nothing to link into, nothing to turn, nothing to tighten, all in one packaging. And it will go all the way up between this pole and this pole up to the 10 feet. In a nutshell, that's really it. Again, this works with the 1200 model of the LightRanger as well as the brand new 2000 lumen model of the LightRanger that's just starting to ship now. Had 2 runs with this, been very, very happy. Again, it's about $50.99 on their website. Hey, if you got a lot of value out of this, please hit that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell when we got new content out there. For all the dads out there, happy Father's Day. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.